Most people spend their entire life trying to be remembered. Luqman was a carpenter, a shepherd, a nobody. And Allah made him immortal. Here is how. His name was Luqman. Not a prophet. Not a king. Just a father with a son, and something important to say. He did not lecture. He did not shout. He sat with his son and spoke the way a man speaks when he knows his words must outlive him. He said, "My son, never associate anything with Allah. That is the greatest wrong a person can commit." He said, "My son, even if your deed is the weight of a mustard seed, hidden inside a rock, Allah will bring it forth. Nothing is hidden from him." He said, "Establish your prayer. Do good. Forbid evil. Be patient over whatever befalls you." He said, "Do not walk through this earth with arrogance. Allah does not love the proud. A father, a son, a conversation. And Allah loved it so much, He preserved it in the Quran until the end of time." Luqman had no throne, no title, no miracles. He just spoke to his son with sincerity, with love, with truth. And that was enough. It makes you wonder, what words are you leaving behind for the people you love? Because you do not need to be a prophet to say something that lasts forever. You just have to mean it.